Mel from 2 Sleepyheads, and today I'll be showing how to create this typography design in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, let's go. Alright, first up we have the artboard out. Same thing, we'll choose the color palette that we want to use on top and place it on top of the artboard. Now we create a text. Let's do morning. Change it to a little bit more fun font. Maybe we use this KG Happy Solid. I think it's a little bit more fun compared to Gotham. Change the color. So what we're going to do here is to duplicate each text and change the color. So to have a total of 4 different colors. Duplicate it, change the color, use eyedropper tool, it will be much easier. So just click I on your keyboard, change the color. Okay, so let's duplicate another pink. So once that's done, lock the back layer, select the other text and group them together. Command G. Okay, now we select and centralize it to the artboard. Okay, so what we're going to do here is to cut out part of this design and shift it a little. So let's create a shape using the Eclipse tool. I guess this shape is really popular nowadays. Change it to the color, change the stroke. So we'll choose a location where we want to shift the text a little. Let's place it here. Place the stroke a little. Okay, so we'll duplicate, select the text, the whole chunk of text, right? And then we duplicate it. So Command C and Command F, duplicate it in front. Yes, so now you know that you have 2 layers of this text. Okay, so now copy the shape as well. Copy and then you select both of it. Command 7 for clipping mask. So now you know that this part is cut out. So if you shift it, you can see this part is cut out. Okay, so you paste back the shape that you copied and change it to the background color and shift it to the back. So now you have the layer of text, the shape in the text and also the shape in the background color, and then paste one more time to show the stroke. And now you select all 3 and shift it. So shift it in any way you want. Tilt it a little so it makes the text a little bit more interesting. Yeah, so you can see it's actually 3 layers. One is for the text, one is the background, and another layer is actually just the stroke. So there are actually 3 layers. So this is how you do this design. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Do follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website. And drop us an email, DM, if you have any creative services that you need help with, or even social media, and also website design. Also, if you want to learn how to better your design skills, do like this video and hit the like and subscribe button. And till next time, bye!